This is how to make your PC or laptop run 10 times faster. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, which will remove all viruses from your PC. So if you are ready, let's dive into it. Welcome back. As I said earlier, we have four ways to go. The first thing is to do is go on your keyboard, press Windows R. This is what will appear. You can see this dialog box. We have, as I said, this is the first one. You can see it here, temp. So select it or type it here and press OK. So now you can see this. All these are junk files. You have to delete all. So to delete all, go to select all here or select one and press Control A like this. So and come and select here. You can see Control D will delete it. But this right click here or just follow this arrow and click, you see we have permanently delete. Use that one. Or there is a shortcut for it, which is Shift Delete. Shift Delete will also permanently delete everything. You can see the shortcut here. Shift Delete. Okay, let's delete it. So let's delete all. We have 180 files, junk files. So let's delete it. So let's try the second one. The same process. Windows R and choose. You can see it here. Temp with percentage, beginning and end. Okay, let's select it and okay. So come here and go skip. So we have deleted all the junk files. We have only two files remaining. The one which is in use. Okay, this is the second dialog box here. You can see the second one here also has how many files? They have 145 files. The same process, select all, come here, permanent delete. It will go. So we have also deleted 145 files. So now let's go to the third one. Same process, Windows R. It is here. You can see this is the third one and go to OK. It will ask for your permission. Grant it the permission. You can see this is still deleting in the background here. Okay. The same thing we have here 251. You can see it here. So now the fourth one, which I said will remove viruses from your PC. Same process, Windows R and type in MRT. You can see it MRT. Okay. Wait for like 20 seconds. So now it is asking for a permission. Let's launch it. Okay, this is the process. It starts from here. Just follow the process. You can see we have. So we have this dialog here. You can see quick scan. We also have full scan and customized scan. So let's use quick scan. It will take like a minute or two to scan. Infected fast. It started from 5 p.m. Now we are 2 minutes now. So after that, another one will appear and also scan. Okay, you can see we spent almost 7 minutes to scan the whole computer. We scan almost 18,000 files and zero infected file. Okay, as you can see, this is the end. So finish. So if you have enjoyed the video, please share with family and friends. Bye.